This video is about ready-made aluminum and PVC windows with glass. What you're looking at here are the latest prices for aluminum and PVC windows that are already fitted with glass and you only have to install. It's available in PVC frames and aluminum frames. So I will be showing you some of the measurements with the prices, and I will tell you that it is included. The glass is included, so you don't have to worry. All you have to worry is your hole for the windows to fit in. This is from the Minestra brand, available in All Homes Hardware here in Star Mall, Talisay City. So first, we're looking at these awning windows. This is the Minestra alum windows, 0.6 by 0.6 meter, and this is how it works. You see, the awning windows is open outwards, and it's made of aluminum frames. It's solid. The glass is included. The lock is included. All you have to do is to install the actual frame. Either you screw it in or cement it in. The price is 5,875 pesos. So look closely. There. Because the ready-made aluminum and PVC windows are more cheaper than the actual made-to-measure aluminum and PVC windows. So everything is set. All you have to do is to install. Next one on the back is an aluminum frame again. This time, this is 1 meter by 2 meter frame. So the width is 2 meter. 1 by 2 meter. 1 meter length and 2 meter width. It's 11,324. But it's a double window. You can see that there's the lock is already included. We'll see on the back. There. The locks are already installed. The rubbers are installed. All you have to do is just to screw it into the hole of your window frame. This is 1.2 by 1.2 meters. I think this is mistaken because this is shorter. It says here in the tag is 1.2 by 1.2. This is 1 meter by 1 meter. That's the 11,324 aluminum windows with glass. Ready-made. This is the Minestra aluminum windows, 1.2 by 1 meter by 1.2. The length is 1.2. And this is 12,250. So look at the profile of the windows. So it's well made and it's ready to go in. You can DIY, do it yourself, or have someone install it, but it's easier when it's all ready to make, ready to go. There's the other one. This measurement here is made of PVC. UPVC is cheaper than the aluminum frame. This is 1 meter by 1 meter. So this is the same one. The other one, the aluminum 1 meter by 1 meter, that's the 11,324. This one is 8,425 windows. PVC, UPVC frame. Glass is included. There, where you stick your framing. You can see all set. Locks all set. They give you the set for the lock to install. But these are the sample that we are showing you so you know what are the windows available. This one, this is an aluminum frame, 0.9 by 0.6. So this is a 0.9 by 0.6 double window awning. This is aluminum frame, so this is 7,376, but very solid, ladies and gentlemen. I just want to make your life easier to where you find it. This is all the Pinestra brand of ready-made windows is available in All Home Hardware. Now this is the aluminum again window frame, 0.6 by 0.6. It's available in white and brown, like that, the darker one. The white alum is 4,249, whereas the dark one is only 4,018 pesos, 218 pesos. It's just a difference of like almost 30 pesos, 31 pesos. Yes, it's more expensive to have it made to measure. Because mine was made to measure by, I made all the frame. So this is 4.6 by 0.6. The other one on the back is also available in the brown aluminum alloy. Brown, and this is the silver and white. This is 7,376, where this one, the awning 0.6 by 0.6 is 4,249, where the colored one is 4,218. Now the big windows here. This is aluminum windows 1 meter by 1.2. This is also available in white and colored. 1 meter and 1.2 meter. 1 meter width and 1.2 meter length. 12,250. Again, fittings, glass is already inside. And you have one in the back. This is one of the big one. This is 1.2 by 1.5 meter. 1.2 meters and 1.5. Aluminum frame, sliding type. So the sliding type of windows, ready-made, 10,806. There's the sliding. And this one on the other side is 1.2 by 1.2, not sliding, but with frames, each individually frame with handle. There's the profile of it. 1.2 by 1.2 aluminum, 13,100 pesos. Because a lot of people would rather install the actual windows themselves, and sometimes the quality of these ready-made windows is better than the one that you can get in your cheapest window makers, because they use the cheapest aluminum frames and the thinnest windows. This one, you can tell it's not tempered, but you can see that it's thick glass. So once again, these are the ready-made windows available in PVC and aluminum frames here in All Home Hardware inside Star Mall, Talisay City, Cebu. So I'll give you a tour so you can have a proper look. Awnings. That's the awning, that's the window, 2 window opening. 1 meter by 1 meter. The one on the back is 1 meter by 1.2 meter. All aluminum frame. This one is PVC frame, which is also available with the design that you're looking at. The aluminum, you can have it in PVC. And then you have the dark aluminum and the white aluminum and the silver aluminum. Then you have the biggest one, the biggest ready-made that they make here is 1.2 by 1.5 meter.